All right, for math question number 6, we've got Dr. Sue that has requested that you have 200 milliliters of 0.25% lidocaine on your back table. It's going to put our equation down. C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2. So what we're wanting here is 0.25% lidocaine, and we need 200 milliliters. The circulator has 50 milliliter vials of 0.5% lidocaine available. How much 0.5% lidocaine and how much saline do you mix to get the requested local? So we have 0.5% as our concentration available, and we're wanting to know how much of that we need to add to saline in order to get what was requested. All right, so we're going to first start off by multiplying on our right side here. So that is going to be 200 milliliters over 4. So 1/2 equals 200 milliliters divided by 4, which is going to equal 50. So 1/2 of V1 equals 50. So we'll divide both sides by 1/2. Now you could also say that is a 0.5 as a half. You can do it either way. So you can take the 50 and divide it by 0.5, or you can do 50 over 1 and flip your fraction times 2 over 1. So then that leaves us with V1 equals 100. All right, so the volume of 1 that we need then, and the volume of 0.5% lidocaine is 100 milliliters of 0.5% lidocaine. Now remember that we're looking for 200 total, so I'm going to go up here to the corner for the moment. We've got 200 milliliters that we need, minus the 100 of 0.5%. That means that we need 100 of saline. All right, so to make our 200 milliliters 0.25%, we're going to do 100 of 0.5% and 100 of saline. So let's put this here together, and we're just going to go ahead and let's make this into quarters. And each one of those is going to be 50 milliliters. So we can look at this visually. So that is our total of 200 milliliters. All right, so 100, that's going to be saline, and 100 of it is going to be 0.5%. So let's make these two our 0.5%. So that's our 1/2 times 50 milliliters and 1/2 times milliliters, and then both of these saline. So that is our 100 of saline. All right, so since we have this in 50 milliliter bottles, then, and we need 100, so we're going to need 2 of those bottles. Of 50 milliliters, and that's going to give us 100 milliliters of 1/2 that we will add to that, or 100 milliliters of saline, and that gives us 200 milliliters of 0.25%, which is what we were wanting. 200 milliliters, a 1/4% lidocaine.